Okay, so here we are dealing with a 3-digit number. So we have to see what is the place of a particular digit in a number. Like we have here 547. We have here number 547, right? So if we talk about number 7 is in ones place. Then this 4 is in tens place. And this 5 is in hundreds place, right? 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and 5 is in hundreds place. So we know that this 5 is in hundreds place, right? 4 is in tens place, and 7 is in ones place. So what we have to do is, if the number is 5, after this 5, we'll put here 2 zeros. We'll put here 2 zeros. Why we are putting here 2 zeros after 5? Because 5 is in hundreds place, and in hundreds we have 2 zeros. Okay. Next, we'll write number 4. Now this 4 is in tens place. 4 is in tens place. And we know that in tens we have only 1 0. That's why we are writing 1 0 after 4. 1 0 after 4. Now this is 4040. Okay. Now your last digit is 7. Your last digit is 7, and 7 is in ones place. 7 is in ones place. Children, please listen carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask. 7 is in ones place. So we will write this 7 as it is. We will not add any 0 because in ones place we don't have any zeros. Okay, we don't have any 0 in ones place, right? So this is how you'll write the place value of the given number. Okay. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this? Anyone? Okay, then we'll move ahead. Children, take out page number 5 of your math codes book. Yes, children, open page number 5 of your math codes book. Write date and classwork on page number 5 quickly. Okay, so we'll start with question number 1. It's already done in your book. Okay, but we'll see it. The first bit is 990. Number is, you all can see bit number A. This is 990. Number is 990, right? Now you have to identify the place of every digit, each and every digit in this number. So your first number is 9. This 9 is in, sorry, your first digit is 9. This 9 is in hundreds place. Then this 9 is in tens place. And then you have this 0 is in ones place, right? Then you have the 0 is in ones place. Now, first of all, we start with the first digit. 9 is in hundreds place. So what we'll do, we'll write this 9. And after writing this 9, we'll put 2 zeros here because this 9 is in hundreds place. Okay. So it's done. Then next digit is 9. So we'll write that 9 here. And after that, we'll put 1 0 because this 9 is in tens place. And then at last, we have 0 here. So we'll write that 0 as it is. That 0 is in ones place. And one more thing, children, if 0 is in tens place, or whether 0 is in tens place or it's in hundreds place, You will write it as 0 only. No need to write 00, 000 or anything like that. If whether you will write it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 0 will be 0. Okay? So write it only once. Now we'll move to second bit. That is bit number B. Okay? Zaid, you tell me answer for bit number B. Read that question first.
823.
Yes, number is 823. So tell me in the, okay, we'll start from downside. We'll go from bottom to top. Okay, first we have to write for this 8. What shall we write here?
800.
Very good. Yes, children, see here. This 8 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place, and 3 is in ones place. So first of all, we'll write this 8. And since this 8 is in hundreds place, so we'll put 2 zeros after that. So this is 800. Okay, Z, next.
20.
Very good. Your next digit is 2. So we'll write 2 here and we'll put 1 zero after that because this 2 is in tens place. Now next.
3.
Yeah. Your last digit is 3. So we'll write it as it is. We'll not put any zero because this 3 is in ones place and in ones place we don't have any zeros. Okay. Now, next. Hanvika, tell me answer for next bit. Bit number C.
Okay, ma'am.
Read that question.
604.
Very good. Question is 604. Number is 604. Okay. So, this 6 is in which place?
100. 600.
Okay. 6 is in hundreds place. So, we'll write 600 here. First of all, we'll write 6. And after that, we'll put 2 zeros because 6 is in hundreds place. Okay. Then next.
We have to write 2 zeros.
Hanvika, just now I said that no need to write 2 zeros. You are telling to write 2 zeros because the 0 is in tens place, right? But
Yes.
as I told you, whether you write 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros or 1 zero, 0 will be 0. So write 0 only once. Okay, Hanvika? Okay, Hanvika? Is this okay? Yeah. And what we'll write in the last box?
4.
Yeah. In the last box, we'll write here 4 because 4 is in tens place. So we'll not add any zeros after that. Sorry, 4 is in ones place. So we will not add any zeros. We'll write 4 as it is. Okay. Now next. Lohit, unmute yourself and read next bit. Bit D.
300.
No. Bit
760. 63.
763. Okay, so tell me what we'll write in the first box from bottom to top. Yeah.
7.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll write only 7 here.
60.
How many zeros?
1.
1 0. 7 is in which place, Lohit?
2 zeros.
Okay, 7 is in which place?
Hundreds.
Yes, 7 is in hundreds place. So we will add 2 zeros after 7 because in hundreds we have 2 zeros. Okay, next number.
60.
60, 60. 60.
60.
Okay, and then last.
3.
Yeah. Last we'll write 3 as it is because 3 is in ones place. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now next. Nitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nitya. Bit E, last question. Read that.
500.
Yes.
0.
No. Read question. First, you should read that number. What is that number?
5.
No.
9.
Read it all together. 509 is?
509.
Yeah, 509 means 509. Okay, now it's correct. Yeah, so what we'll write in first box from bottom to top? 5 is in which place? Nitya, 5 is in which place? Please tell me.
Place.
100th place.
Yeah, 5 is in hundreds place. Okay. So after 5, how many zeros?
2 zeros.
Yeah, so we'll write here
1
500.
zero.
How many zeros?
1 zero.
After 5.
1 zero.
Wrong.
500 ki nana.
5 is in hundreds
2
place.
zeros, ma'am.
Yeah, 5 is in hundreds place. So we will put 20 after that. So this will be 500. Okay. Now here next.
Tens lemon. 0
0.
10th, ma'am.
0 is in tens place. So we will write only 1 0 here. No need to write 2 zeros here. Okay. In last one.
1 0.
Ones place.
What's the last digit?
Ones place lemundi cheppu madam keta.
9, ma'am.
Yeah. In the last box, we'll write 9 because 9 is in ones place. Okay. Okay. So this is 500, 0 and 9. Okay. So this is 509. I hope nobody is writing this. You all have completed. This was easy. Okay. Yes, children. Now come to page number 6. Open page number 6. Write date and classwork on page number 6 quickly. Okay. Take out page number 6. Write date and classwork. Okay. So you all know how to write number in expanded notation. You all know how to write number names. Now what we have to do here is we have to first look at the abacus. We have to find out which number is being represented on the abacus, right? And then according to that, we have to write its expanded notation and then its number name also. Okay. Excuse me. Yes, children, please write date in classwork on page number 6. Okay, fine. So first bit is already done. Then also we'll just we'll have a look at it. We'll have a look on it. Okay, see here now. In bit A, if you will look at hundreds place, if you look in hundreds place, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 beats. How many beats are there? 5 beats are there in hundreds place. You all can see here there are 5 beats in hundreds place, right? So we'll write here 5 above it. Okay. Now in tens place, how many beats do we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. In tens place, we have here 4 beats, right? You all can see here, no need to draw a circle here. Just write these numbers, right? So we can write here 4 in tens place. Now in ones place, how many beats are there? 1 and 2. 2 beats are there. So we'll write here 2 above it. Okay, we'll write 2 in ones place. What we did, we have counted the number of beads in hundreds place, we have counted the number of beads in tens place, and we have counted the number of beads in ones place. Okay, then after counting the beads, we have to write that number in hundreds, tens, and ones place, so that we can find out which number is being represented on the abacus, right? So in the first bit, number is 542, that is 542, that is 542. Now, if I want to write its expanded notation, children, how I will write? 5 is in hundreds place, so I will write here 5, and after that, I'll write spelling of hundreds. Okay. Then I'll put plus sign. You all can see a plus sign is there. Then I'll write next number, next digit. Next is 4. I'll write 4 and 4 is in tens place. So I'll write here tens spelling. Then again I'll put plus sign and your last digit is 2. And we'll write here 2 and after that we'll write ones, O-N-E-S, ones spelling because 2 is in ones place, right? And after that we'll put equal to sign here and we'll write this number 542 here, that is 542 after equal to sign. And children, you all have to do your work yourself. Okay, after that we have to write its number name. So we'll write its spelling, that is 542, or you can write it as 542. Both are correct. Okay, so Supratik, you tell me in second bit B, Supratik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in second bit, which number is being represented on the abacus? Count and tell me how many beads are there in hundreds place.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
First one, ma'am.
Bit B. Bit B, second.
2, 3.
Second question. Count bead, number of beads in hundreds place.
6, ma'am.
No.
3, ma'am.
Yeah. There are 3 beads in hundreds place. So we'll write here 3. Okay. How many beads are there in tens place?
6, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll write here 6. And how many in ones place? Count, Supratik. Don't look here and there. Yeah. In ones place.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. 4. So now what is the number? This is 364. What does this mean? 364 means 300 and
64, ma'am.
yeah. So this is 364.
4.
Okay. That's correct. Now, Misbah, you tell me its expanded notation. Misbah, you tell me expanded notation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me expanded notation for this number 364. First, we'll write here 3.
300 and
3 hundreds first, and then we'll write hundreds spelling here. Then,
300
then
plus
plus next after 3. 6.
6
Yeah.
tens
Tens.
mm,
Yes.
yes
Yeah.
4
4.
300 and
No. After 4.
tens 1
Yeah. Ones. So this is the expanded notation for number 364. Okay. Very good, Ms. Ba. Right. So this is the expanded notation for number 364. Now what you have to do is you have to put, okay, I don't have space. I don't have sufficient space, so I'm writing it down. After that, you have to put equal to sign and then you have to write their number 364. Okay. In the next line, if you people don't have sufficient space, then you can also write it in next line. This is 300 equal to 364. Now, last you have to write its number name. Okay. Tanishka, unmute yourself and tell me what is the number name for bit B. How you will read this 364. Unmute yourself. Tanishka, unmute yourself.
yes ma'am
Yeah, tell me answer. Tell me the answer.
364
Very good. So this is 364. So we'll write here spelling three, THRE 3, HUNDRED, SIXTY 60, F-O-U-R, 4. 364. Okay. Yes, children, please write correct spellings. Akshaya Lakshmi now. Next bit. Bit C. How many beads are there in hundreds place?
Hundreds plus
Yeah. Bit C.
6. 6.
Count again, please. Please count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, 6 are there. Sorry. Yeah, 6 beads are there. Yeah. And in tens place?
7.
Yeah. Okay. And then in ones place? Children,
8.
keep on writing numbers in hundreds, tens, and ones place also. Okay, 8. So I'll write this 8 here. Okay. Now, Akshaya, tell me its expanded notation.
600 plus
No, that's not 600. 6 hundreds.
600
6 hundreds plus,
plus
yes,
7 tens
plus 7 tens
plus
plus
8 ones.
8 ones. That's not 8, that's 8. What's that, Akshaya?
8.
8.
8.
Yeah, that's 8, not 8. Okay, fine. Now what we have to do in the next line, we have to put equal to sign and we have to write that number. So equal to, this is 678. This number is 678. You have to write this in next line. Now, the last, you have to write its number name now. Pathan, read that number. Unmute yourself and read. 678. What's that number? Tell me its number name.
Ma'am, which question?
Bit C. Number name. What's that number? 678?
678.
Yeah, that's 678. Okay, children, start writing this spelling. SIX, 6. HUNDRED, 100. SEVENTY, 70. EIGHT, 8, 78. Yes, children, you can also write it as 678. That is also correct, but I don't have sufficient space here. That's why I'm not writing and here. Okay, that is also correct. So this is 678. Now next question. That is bit D. Devansh, unmute yourself and count how many number of beads are there in hundreds place. Bit D, fourth question. Unmute yourself. Yeah, in hundreds place, how many beads are there?
100 plus 3 bits are there, ma'am.
So we'll write here 3 in hundreds place. Okay, in tens place?
8.
Yeah, 8 are there. So we'll write 8 here. And in ones place?
1.
1. Very good. Now tell me its expanded notation, Devansh.
3
3
hundred
hundreds
plus
plus, yeah, next is
8
8
10
tens
plus
plus
1
1.
ones.
Okay, with 1 we'll write only 1. We'll not write ones. Okay, very good, Devansh. That's the correct answer. Okay, now next. In the next line, same thing. We will put equal to sign and we'll write this number 381. That is 380. Dhriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Dhriti, tell me what's that number? 381 is?
381.
Yeah, this number is 381. Okay, so we'll write here spelling THRE3 HUNDRED 100. Dhriti, tell me spelling of 80.
PIGHTY.
EIGHTY, not H. Okay, 80 and then 21. So this is 381. Okay, that's correct. So this is 381. Ashwetanalla, count number of beads in bit E. Okay, children, now last question. That is last bit. See, Shreyan, you count how many beads are there in hundreds place.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
100.
No, only one bead is there in hundreds place, so we'll write here 1. How many are there in tens place?
8 tenths.
8. In tens place, we have 8 beads, so we'll write here 8. And in ones place?
7 1.
Very good. So 7 are there in ones place. Okay, now tell me its extended notation, CHM.
Okay.
Yeah.
100.
100s. You have to write S also. 100s. Yeah.
10 eighths.
No, 8 tens.
8 tenths.
Yeah, 8 tens. Yeah, then
7 ones.
plus 7 ones. Okay, you have to put plus sign also. So plus 7 ones. Then again we have to put write equal to sign here, and we have to write this number 187. Okay, we have to write this number 187. Meghna, you want Meghna.